So I've verified my email and I've logged in completely to EdPuzzle. The next step I want to do is to import my classes from Google Classroom, and that's what makes this tool so useful. There's a minimal setup. So I'm going to go up to the top right and click on My Classes, and I'm going to click on Google Classroom. Choose the appropriate option for your own school, and then select your button again. It verifies your account. You give it access, and you're taken to the class view. Now, as you can see, there's not much going on here because I haven't imported my classes yet, but on the left hand side it will list my classes from Google Classroom, and as you can see, this teacher just has one class, PE. So we're going to select that and I'm going to import it. And there you go, it's as simple as that. So I've not given any assignments yet or due dates, but if I click under students, I can see that I've got 2 students signed up. And these are the 2 students that have signed up to my Google Classroom so far. And that's it, we've imported our classes.